Let's face it, personalization and customization are the name of the game. If we can have it tailored to our preferences, it really makes us happy. So why should it be any different when you're purchasing a home? Buying a brand new home has got to be more expensive than purchasing a resale home, right? Not so fast. Today, we're going to talk all about why you should consider buying new home construction. Reason number one, as a realtor, I show homes to lots of different buyers. And even after they've purchased and selected their favorite, there's always something that they want to change. They don't like the carpet, the tile, the wall color. When you build a new home, you can build it the way you want it. And this is probably the most attractive reason to build a new home. Reason number two is home warranty. When you buy a resale home, things do break down. But when you buy a new home, not only is everything brand new, but it's still under warranty. This means peace of mind and low maintenance fees. Number three, new home builds tend to have lots of amenities. It can be anything from a playground to a pool to a tot lot. And new homes tend to have homeowners association. And although there could be some fees associated with that, your community stays beautiful and your home value will rise for years to come. Reason number four, we're experiencing a home shortage. People live longer, they're staying in place longer and not downsizing. Buying a brand new home offers a viable solution. We still have lots of land to build on and the prices are still affordable. Reason number five, one of the most attractive reasons for buying a new build is that it's yours and only yours. No one has lived in the house before you, cooked on the stove, or slept in your room. And understandably, that new home feel appeals to a lot of people. Now here's the thing. A sales rep may tell you that you don't need a realtor, but that's absolutely not true. You need someone to protect you and your interests. As your realtor, I can guide you through the whole process, from contract to construction to the final walkthrough, all the way to close. And if anything goes awry, I'll be right there by your side to make sure that your interests are protected. At this point, you might be thinking that you need some help with new construction and you don't know where to start. So if you're planning on making a move, I am here to help you. The link to get your list of new construction homes. Take care for now, and I'll see you at the next episode.